Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. We haven't done a review for a very long time. We just was busy with the shop and busy with real aircraft. But look what we got here today. So those are new lowrider from Redkit. It's the 64 Impala that you already know, but those one have a little bit change in them. Let's jump right into it. So if you're not familiar with the Redkit Racing lowrider, they're going up and down, humping up and down, and they're really cool lowrider. So now they have this beautiful metallic color that when I'm looking at the camera right now, I can already see that it's not going to be as nice as when you see it in person. And this color actually is much nicer when you look at it in the sun, because I have this color on my airplane. And now they have it on the lowrider. And then this blue, it's kind of like a baby metallic blue with the white tops in both of them. They changed the tops, but you guys probably haven't noticed yet, but those wheels, they already come in with the small wheels right now. So before you have to buy those Dayton, that's pretty expensive. Now those already included in both cars, and they add another very cool feature. Let's set up real quick the camera over here, right there. Hopefully it will not fall. This is magnet, so all you have to do is lift it up. It's set up with a magnet. You set up whatever you want, set up your battery. There's no more clips on the bottom, and then when you drop it down, you just have to open the sides a little bit so it's more smoother, and it's locking into place. You have to go over kind of all around, make sure that everything is in the right place. Here it's got stuck kind of a little bit. Gonna fix it. Off, and that's it. Yeah, it was a little bit struggle because this piece in the other side got inside to the plastic, but this is how cool it is. And those are available right now in our shop. And here's the funny thing about it. Those are the same price as the previous version, so they're still $549, and it's the same price that the original Impala was going. But here you get newer colors, and you also get the smaller rim and couple other upgrades that they did for the vehicles. So this is just a quick shout out for all my customers, because I know that people like to see the videos and then come to the shop and get stuff. So now you guys know it's here, it's waiting for you. So if you don't know who we are Motor Styles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. We are at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California. Zip code 91344. And if you don't like those, we have a lot of other stuff. See you on my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I think those one, we may be going to end up customize one of those and do a giveaway. So don't forget to put something nice in the comment that we may be going to consider you for get this giveaway. Bye.